So the Maverick refocuses the telescope this evening on the recent shake-up at the JFF by FIFA. We'll look a little bit closer at the specifics of what FIFA is demanding of the JFF and what it means for the My Cricket's administration going forward. The stipulation that qualified and experienced legal, financial, commercial, and technical expertise be appointed at the board level. So FIFA is basically saying that who the JFF have in these positions should not be there. And this demand is now connected to the other stipulation that board members should not have votes at the Congress. So these changes are basically aimed at cutting out the party shop setup, which is rife with conflict of interest as it now exists at the JFF, where some parish presidents were put in key positions, not because of competence, but as reward for voting in the president. FIFA saying that kind of nepotism, as was publicly admitted to by Mr. Ricketts, cannot continue. Not when the world governing body is dispersing funds in the region of $200 million per year. FIFA is demanding transparent and competent systems and leadership at the JFF to replace the incompetence and the lack of structure that we have there now. So what happened? Let me see if the telescope can pick up the telescope. Come here, see to the naked eye.